Okay, the iPhone 16 is out with 4 different variants: the 16, the 16 Plus, the 16 Pro, and the 16 Pro Max. The 16 has 6.1-inch display, while the 16 Plus has 6.7-inch display. The 16 Pro also have 6.7-inch display, and the 16 Pro Max has a whopping 6.9-inch display. A major difference that I've noticed about the 16 and the 16 Plus is the camera setup, the camera design. It has moved from the regular square shape camera to something similar to iPhone X variants in 2017, which is very surprising. Apple's explanation to that is it aids camera optimization with the help of autofocus, where there's an also inclusion of action button and camera control button. Well, we'll get to that later. Well, the improvement that Apple has claimed or advertised is the camera upgrades, battery life, and the chipsets. The improvements that Apple have claimed on the Apple Intelligence is 1. Cleanup, which means to clean up unwanted images or objects on your picture, and 2. To summarize tests in the proper way, and lastly, reduction of interruption of notification. Now moving to the Pro and the Pro Max. The Pro has 6.7-inch display, while the Pro Max has 6.9-inch display. There's also an improvement in the chipset. Apple call it A18 Pro, which means better camera optimization and better processing power. And there's also an improvement on the camera on the Pro variant, which is able to shoot video at 4K and 120 frames per second. And the ultra wide has been improved from 12 megapixel to 48 megapixel, which means when you are shooting with the ultra wide, you are able to get more details on your picture or on your video. And also another improvement I've noticed about the Pro variant is that it has 4 cameras, which means it's able to produce a better sound. And Apple also claimed that the display is 50% stronger, which has not been tested, and a stronger battery life, which also has not been tested. As for the camera control button, it has pros and cons. For the pros, you can use it to snap, you can use it to record video, you can use it to zoom, and you can also use it to switch between different cameras. Then as for the cons, the position of the camera control button is not at the appropriate position, and most time you have to put it at a landscape level before you can use it properly. Well, if you're a content creator and you use 12, 13, well, I would advise you to upgrade. But if you have 14, 15, I would encourage you to wait. Well, that's it for the iPhone 16. If you enjoyed this video, do consider subscribing until I catch you in the next video.